So here I have written all those environment variables here. So first thing what it will do, it will export the Java home. So you have to give the location till bin. So you don't have to give the bin location, but you have to give the location from where you can access your Java bin. So this is the location. Then you have to export your M2 home. So this will be the location of your Maven. Then again your Maven home. You can put this absolute address, or instead of this you can also put $m2 home and then slash, because this is a variable, it is storing M2 home as a, this value is a variable. So if you just put $m2 home slash bin, then it should give you the export Maven path, and this is the overall export. So export overall path will be, this will be exporting your first M2 home and slash bin and then your path. So what we have to do, we have to just copy all these things into the file we have created, maven env.sh. That is your Linux file. So I am here and my file should be, one second. So my file is here. Let me, okay. So vi, this is my file, and let's enter this. You have to copy it again. So just copy these things. All right, so this is copied. Now paste this on vi. Now save this file. Once you have saved, since this is .sh file, it means executable file. This file has to be executed. So you have to actually write the command to give the execute permission. Right now it doesn't have execute permission. So either you can just give chmod 777 to this folder, this file, or you can just add like the chmod plus x and the name of your file. So this is your file. Now this file has all the execute permission. So if one can execute this file, they will be able to easily execute the file. Post this, once we have saved this, now let's source this maven env.sh file. So you can just write source. Either you can put the absolute address or you can just put this address, because now I'm in profile.d and now my file is here only. So I will just put the local address here. This has been sourced. Now our to check SVN version, now what it will show, it should show us the Java location also and the SVN location also. So if you try to just do and slash version, I was doing SVN, so it's SVN, it should be Maven. 1 second, there's some network issues. Okay, Maven hyphen version, it should tell you a JDK location. It's not Maven, it's MVN dot version. I'm continuously having hangover. So now you can see this is Apache Maven version, this one, and this is the location of Maven home, and now it has told you where is your Java version. So because we have mentioned the Java path, so guys, this is Java version. So now everything is there now. You have successfully set your environment variables. Now it's time to jump into your Jenkins, and you have to set the plugins, your not SVN, set the plugins for your Maven. Well, to go to your Jenkins server, similarly like we did yesterday, you have to, in the earlier video what you have done, you just copy this IP address. Just hold on, this is our Jenkins. So just copy this IP address and paste it here, and you have to open port 88. This should open to your Jenkins. Now we have given, remember we have set up the admin password and your custom password. So let's enter. Hopefully it will enter. Yeah, so it entered. Now what you have to do, you have to quickly go to your manage Jenkins settings, and here we have to download your plugins for Maven. So just go to Maven manage plugins, and in filters, not in filters, just see available. So here you will see the available plugins here, and now you have to write Maven invoker. If you write Maven also, it will find. So if you write Maven, you will find the plugins called Maven invoker. So you have to just find it from here. These are the available plugins, and my Maven invoker should be somewhere here. Yeah, it's here. Now what I will do, I will install it without restart. So this is the option. So now your plugin has been successfully installed. One second. So once installation is complete, we have to actually restart your Jenkins. Go here and again go to manage Jenkins and check whether it has been successful or not. So if you write here Maven, right, it should be ticked like Maven invoker has been installed successfully. So just go down, down, down. Maven invoker. Yeah, it is not here. It means your Maven invoker has been successfully, installed.